Hello, this is official invitation for the exclusive Prima event in Temecula, California, 7 and 8 September. So during this event, we've got two teachers, me and Brush with Brandy, to learn mixed media techniques, to learn about products, to get tips, and to explore the world of mixed media and furniture flipping. What is great? During this event, you get the chance to work with exclusive product, which is the smaller version of the Steampunk Dolphin you can see behind me. This class is very special because you're going to learn all the techniques you need to know to make a project like that, and you can still pack it into your suitcase and take it home. This is super fun, and I hope to share my knowledge with you in the classroom. Check the details on the website, book your seat now, because this event is filling up fast.